Once you've installed this app, let's open. Just tap on agree and continue. It shows you the 7 days free trial option. You can just cancel at the top. Firstly, before we choose the servers, tap on this small 3 lines at the top left side, and we're gonna go to settings here. You can choose the type of protocols. Currently it's set to automatic. You can pick this one, second one or third one. I'm gonna keep it to automatic and then go back. There's one feature called split tunneling. In simple terms, this feature will let you choose which apps will not use the VPN. Currently, all the apps here can make use of the VPN. If you want to turn off the VPN access for any app, you can just turn it off here. For example, this one, Telegram, is turned off. Once you're done with these settings, we can go to select the servers. Go back once again and tap on this server selection button here. Go to locations and we can just pick up locations from here. You can expand any region. If you tap on US, here are some free servers and also the premium servers. Tap on any free server. It will ask you for a connection request for the first time. It is just for once. Tap on OK. And thus it's been connected. Tap on close button. Now you can go and surf the internet on your phone. Whenever you want to disconnect this VPN, just tap on close button here, cancel and disconnect. So that's how you can use the Turbo VPN app on your phone. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel.